Okay, today we're going to work on problem-solving strategies, writing an inequality. And before you get to your actual word problems, let's just walk through some of the things that we need to do in order to set up an inequality. And the very first thing you want to think about are some of the words that are common with inequalities, at least, no more than, some of the things that we wrote down yesterday. So just review your notes as you're going through this if you're struggling with which way to point the inequality. Let's take an example from your book. Turn to page 215, and we're going to use practice exercise number 1 as our first example. So read along with me as I read it to you. A company's policy is to spend no more than $350,000 a year for salaries. The president's salary is $110,000. The salaries of the 8 other employees are equal. How much can be spent on each salary? So this is the first thing that we always do when we're doing a word problem is let's decide what we're going to let x equal, what our variable is, what we're solving for. So let x represent each salary. And now you see why Mrs. Battaglia teaches math and not LA. Can't spell represent. All right, so we're going to start out. We have all 8 other salaries being equal. So it's 8 times x plus the $110,000 that we know that the president makes. These two numbers combined cannot be any more than, or it has to be equal to, the $350,000 that they have in total to spend. So now we're going to solve this just like we would any other inequality. You're going to subtract your 110 from both sides. And you're going to come up with 8x is going to be less than or equal to 240,000. Divide both sides by x, and you're going to come up with x is less than or equal to 30,000. So in this case, each employee will receive at most $30,000.